Welcome back to our spiritual journey through the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. In our last episode, we saw the blind king Dhritarashtra asking Sanjaya, "What did my sons and the sons of Pandu do on the sacred battlefield of Kurukshetra?" Today, we explore verse 2, a moment where the true emotions of Duryodhana come to light. Verse Sanjay Uvach दृष्ट्वा तु पांडवानिकं व्यूढ़ं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसंगम्य raja vachanam ब्रवीत. Sanjaya said, having seen the army of the Pandavas drawn up in battle formation, King Duryodhana approached his teacher Dronacharya and spoke these words. Duryodhana, proud, powerful, and the de facto ruler, stood still. The mighty army of the Pandavas, arranged brilliantly in formation by Drishtadyumna, stunned him. Though he had the larger force, something in him trembled. This moment is symbolic. When our cause is unjust, our soul knows it, no matter how much external power we hold. His journey to Dronakarya isn't just strategic, it's the first glimpse of his internal collapse. Duryodhana runs to his teacher like a child seeking comfort. It's a classic psychological reaction. When threatened, the ego seeks validation. His bravado starts to crack. His mind seeks reassurance, not from strategy, but from the one who once guided him. In life, we often approach mentors not for learning, but for support when our confidence breaks. This verse teaches, even the powerful are vulnerable, and true wisdom is knowing when to seek guidance, not just when to give it. Much like Gita, other scriptures explore inner fear. In the Bible, even King Saul trembled before battle. The Gita begins not with divine instruction, but with psychological realism, the battlefield within. Modern science explains this too. Under threat, our brain releases cortisol, the stress hormone. Fear narrows logic. Duryodhana's decision to approach Drona wasn't just emotional, it was biological. Drishtadyumna, born from fire for war, led the Pandava army in a formation called Vajra Vyuha. This was no ordinary setup. Its precision reflected the clarity of purpose the Pandavas had, something Duryodhana deeply lacked. Thus begins the unraveling of Duryodhana, the king who stood on power yet shook in doubt. In our next episode, we'll see how he tries to manipulate Dronakarya, revealing deeper layers of insecurity and strategy. Thus begins the unraveling of Duryodhana, the king who stood on power yet shook in doubt. In our next episode, we'll see how he tries to manipulate Dronakarya, revealing deeper layers of insecurity and strategy. Stay with us on this journey of self-reflection with the medium of teachings and ever-young wisdom. Thank you for coming along. If you like the video, please like and share with your friends and family. Share your thoughts on how these verses are still part of your life, and do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care. Jai Shri